Hi and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. In this video, I'm going to show you how I prepared a table for two for New Year's Eve. But first, let's watch my intro. With everything going on right now, it's best to stay in. So I prepared a romantic table for two. I did a few DIYs, had some fun, and we are ready to ring in the new year. I DIY'd this clock out of a Dollar Tree pizza pan. I got my inspiration from Antoinette over at Aunt's Place. She had a beautiful clock platter that I really suggest you go into her channel to look at. I will leave the link of her video in my description box. My glittered bling Martini glasses, another DIY. I bought a couple of Martini glasses from the Dollar Tree, used my fine blue glitter, and added a few clear gemstones. I think they look really good with my blue wine glasses, also from the Dollar Tree. These faux champagne bottles, another Dollar Tree item. I just dressed them up a little bit with some blue ribbon from the Dollar Tree. These cute blue and white masks, when I saw them, I knew this is what I wanted to go on my table for New Year's Eve. I found them at the Dollar Tree. They had so many different colors, but I decided to go with the blue for my scheme. I really wanted to do a blue tablescape for the Christmas holidays and just never got around to it. These blue glitter plates, yes, a DIY, clear plates from the Dollar Tree that I glittered just to add on top of my silver Z Gallery plates. They look so pretty. My last DIY is a sparkling cider bottle that I glittered and then trimmed out with gemstones. And then I added into my ice bucket and added a few large crystals just to give it the effect of ice cubes. I love this blue and silver combination. The silver with the blue gives the blue an even more bolder look. For this event, I used my silver, almost mirror-like runner and added some blue stones, which came from the Dollar Tree. My blue jeweled napkins, I added a party horn and a party blowout. You want to celebrate bringing in the new year. On my table, I also used a little bit of confetti, which was purchased at the Dollar Tree. My cute glittered Happy New Year sign, I bought it from Hobby Lobby. It came black, but I added some blue glitter just to match everything on the table. I lit a couple of candles, and yes, the candles did come from the Dollar Tree as well. And we have a romantic evening for two to bring in the new year. Staying in is kind of normal for us anyway. We very seldom go out on New Year's Eve unless it is to a church service. So normally we are home. What do you like to do on New Year's Eve? Do you like to throw a New Year's Eve party? Do you go to New Year's Eve parties? Are you at church? Let me know what you like to do. Just remember, whatever it is, be safe, keep yourself protected, wear your mask, and limit the amount of people that you are around. We want you to be here next New Year's Eve, so maybe we can have that big party. I can't say that this will be my last video for 2020, But I can say this: I have enjoyed my few months here on YouTube. I have had the time of my life. I have met so many talented creators. Staying home hasn't seemed like a chore because you know that once you turn on YouTube, you're going to see something so creative. You're going to be able to see some fashion where someone has went on a shopping haul. Even if they haven't went to an actual store, they ordered something, so you get to see an unboxing. So YouTube excites me. I look forward to just seeing what everyone has to offer. And I hope that I have, in turn, given that to you. I hope that what I put out is something that you really like to see, that you're satisfied. So I hope that we can continue this journey on into 2021 and that everyone gets better, our skills increase, our creativity skyrockets, that our numbers, our subscribers will exceed abundantly. So, from my home to your home, unless I put out another video, which there might be just one more, Happy New Year! Be safe, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.